Managing Windows event logs in CloudWatch can be challenging due to the volume and variety of events. The new Windows event log filters for CloudWatch Agent solve this by allowing selective collection and transmission of events. You can define custom filter criteria for each log stream, filter by event levels, IDs, and regular expressions, include or exclude specific event text, and streamline log management while reducing data ingestion. This feature helps you focus on relevant events, improve analysis efficiency, and optimize log storage costs. When restoring SQL Server database backups, change data capture, CDC, configurations and data are typically lost, causing gaps in data capture. Amazon RDS for SQL Server now solves this problem by allowing you to retain CDC settings during backup restoration. You can preserve CDC settings when restoring to a new instance or different database name. By using the keep_CDC option, you ensure CDC metadata and captured change data remain intact. This feature maintains data continuity and simplifies the restoration process, available across all regions supporting RDS for SQL Server. Amazon Location Service lacked advanced map customization options for specific use cases. The new styling features solve this by allowing you to create more detailed and informative maps. You can customize maps with terrain visualization and contour lines for outdoor navigation. Overlay real-time traffic data to optimize route planning. Add transportation-specific routing information for logistics applications. Use the GetStyleDescriptor API with parameters like terrain, contour density, traffic, and travel mode to implement these features. These enhancements enable you to create tailored maps for various applications such as outdoor navigation, logistics planning, and traffic management. CloudWatch Synthetics addresses the challenge of creating in-depth synthetic tests for various endpoint types. The new multi-check blueprints allow you to create comprehensive tests using JSON configuration files. You can bundle up to 10 monitoring steps in a single canary, making API monitoring more efficient. The feature supports complex assertions on response codes, latency, headers, and body content. It also integrates with AWS Secrets Manager for secure credential handling. This solution simplifies API monitoring implementation, reduces costs, and improves overall monitoring efficiency compared to writing individual custom canaries. Post-incident analysis can be time-consuming and prone to missing critical details. CloudWatch's new interactive incident reporting feature solves this by enabling you to create detailed reports in minutes. You can generate comprehensive post-incident reports quickly, leveraging automatic gathering and correlation of telemetry data. The reports include summaries, timelines, and impact assessments, providing a complete overview of the incident. This allows you to identify patterns and implement preventative measures, ultimately improving your operational posture through structured analysis. Organizations need comprehensive visibility into their cloud carbon emissions to meet sustainability goals. The updated AWS Customer Carbon Footprint tool now includes Scope 3 emissions data, providing a complete view of your AWS usage's carbon impact. You can view lifecycle emissions data, access historical information since January 2022, integrate carbon insights into your workflows, and track progress over time. This enables you to make informed decisions about your cloud strategy and meet your sustainability objectives more effectively. Amazon RDS for SQL Server customers need enhanced security for their database backups. This feature allows you to encrypt native backups in Amazon S3 using AWS KMS keys, providing an additional layer of protection beyond the default SSE S3 encryption. You can encrypt native backups using SSE KMS, update your KMS key policies to grant access to the RDS backup service, specify the encryption parameter in your backup procedure, and use this feature across all regions where RDS for SQL Server is available. This enables you to maintain control over your encryption keys and meet compliance requirements for sensitive data protection. Amazon DocumentDB now offers Graviton4-based R8g instances to address the need for high-performance, memory-intensive database workloads. You can use R8g instances powered by AWS Graviton4 processors with DDR5 memory for improved performance. These instances leverage the AWS Nitro system, offloading key functions to dedicated hardware. You can easily modify existing clusters or create new ones with R8g instances using the AWS Console, CLI, or SDK. The R8g instances are available for DocumentDB 5.0 with both standard and I/O optimized storage configurations, providing flexibility for various use cases.